Artificial intelligence that train other artificial intelligences are often referred to as artificial intelligences trainers, or AI assistants. These AI systems are designed to facilitate the training process for other artificial intelligences, typically by providing data, generating training examples, optimizing models, or assisting with the overall learning process. Here are a few examples of AI trainers. Neural architecture search. NAS systems. NAS systems employ AI algorithms to automatically search for the optimal architecture of neural networks. These AI trainers explore different network designs, evaluate their performance, and select the most promising ones. This helps in automating the design process and improving the efficiency of AI development. Reinforcement learning, RL agents. RL agents are AI systems that learn through trial and error, interacting with an environment and receiving feedback based on their actions. They can be used to train other artificial intelligences by providing them with an environment to learn from. For example, an RL agent can serve as a teacher or adversary, challenging the AI being trained to improve its performance. Generative Adversarial Networks, GANs. GANs consist of two AI models, a generator and a discriminator, that work in tandem. The generator generates synthetic data, such as images or text, while the discriminator tries to differentiate between real and generated data. Through this adversarial process, GANs can generate realistic synthetic data that can be used to train other artificial intelligences, such as image recognition models. Meta-learning systems. Meta-learning refers to the ability of an AI system to learn how to learn. Meta-learning systems can train other AIs by learning a set of generalized learning strategies or optimization techniques. These techniques can be applied to adapt and fine-tune other AI models, making them more efficient and effective in solving specific tasks. It's important to note that these AI trainers are designed to assist and enhance the training process for other artificial intelligences. They rely on human-designed architectures and algorithms and do not possess general intelligence themselves. However, their capabilities contribute to accelerating and improving the development of artificial intelligence systems.